How to use velocity edits on CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use velocity edit in your CapCut. Firstly, open the CapCut app and import your video. Tap on new project and add your video. Once you add the video, you will land to the editing page. There are two ways from which you can add a velocity edit. Firstly, tap on the video clip on the timeline. From the bottom, select Split. Split the clip and tap on the first clip. From the bottom panel, select the option Speed. Now for a better speed control, tap on Curves. Inside Curves, select Custom. You can also select Pre-made Curves. Now adjust these beats according to your liking. Mainly, to create a velocity edit, you need to speed up at the end. After that, go back to the second clip. Now in this second clip, speed up the beginning. This way the clip gets smoother. For the second method, you can directly add a pre-made velocity edit. For this, tap on the video clip and select Effects from the bottom panel. Now tap on Video Effects. Go to the search bar and type in Velocity. After typing in Velocity Effects, you will see different effects that are related to velocity. Most of them are pro, but some of them are also free, which you can try. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.